So while they are walking through the forest, the Tin Woodman told the following story. So here we will be knowing the part of the Tin Woodman, and also will be coming across the exact reason why the Tin Man wanted to have a heart rather than to have a brain. I was born the son of a woodman who chopped down trees in the forest and sold the wood for a living. When I grew up, I too became a wood chopper, and after my father died, I took care of my old mother as long as she lived. Then I made up my mind that instead of living alone, I would marry, so that I might not become lonely. Lonely means alone. So the first part of this story, that means the story of the Tin Woodman, shows himself being a full human of flesh and blood. Why? Because he takes the birth from a woodman. He was the son of a woodman, and he also had a proper biological mother. Now, he himself, the kind of individuality we have been looking forward, we have been knowing from the very beginning about the Tin Woodman, that he is a very loyal person, that he is someone who has this ability, who has this knowledge, who has this integrity towards listening to his parents. And because of this loyalty, this obedience, he has a life, he has a heart that is full of gratitude. And because he had that, he took care of his old mother. But once she is gone, she had decided to marry as to stop himself from being lonely. There was one of the Munchkin girls who was so beautiful that I soon grew to love her with all my heart. So the Munchkin is marked with a star. You can find the meaning here at the page 89 last. The natives of the imaginary Munchkin community in the Oz books by La Frank Baum. So it is one of the imaginary clans of a girl that's been named here. She on her part promised to marry me as soon as I could earn enough money to build a better house for her. So I set to work harder than ever. So he falls in love. That means the Tin Woodman, when he was a human being, he fell in love with a Munchkin girl, and because he fell in love with the Munchkin girl, their love story or the relationship between them, it grew fonder. And the girl also agreed to love her in case he decided, or in case he promises, or in case he was able to complete a house of his own or of their own. But the girl lived with an old woman who did not want her to marry anyone, for she was so lazy. She wished the girl to remain with her and do the cooking and the housework. The girl, she used to stay with an old woman, because the old woman was not competent enough to do her works. She always kept the little girl, or the Munchkin girl who fell in love with the Tin Woodman, with her, and to keep her busy, not to do any work. She continued to do that. In any way. That is why she wished the girl to remain with her and do the cooking and the housework. So the old man went to the wicked witch of the east and promised her 2 sheep and a cow if she would prevent the marriage. Prevent means to stop. Thereupon the wicked witch enchanted my eggs. Enchanted means to fall under a spell, to cast a spell. And when I was chopping away at my best one day, for I was anxious. So anxious means keen, to K-E-E-N, keen, to get the new house and my wife as soon as possible, the axe slipped all at once and cut off my left leg. So because the wicked witch of the east had been requested to stop this marriage between this Munchkin girl and the Tin Woodman when he was a human being of flesh and blood, she decides that she will do something which will enable them to not to do it, not to complete their marriage, not to be in the satisfaction of a full marriage. And to complete the work, to do the work, what did she do? She cast a spell, and by enticing the axe of the Tin Woodman, she was able to cut off the left leg of the Tin Woodman. This at first seemed a great misfortune. Misfortune means unfortunate event, for I knew a one-legged man could not do very well as a wood chopper. So I went to a tinsmith. Tinsmith means someone who makes or repairs things made of tin, and had him make a new leg out of tin. The leg worked very well once I was used to it. But my action angered the wicked witch of the east, for she had promised the old man I should not marry the pretty Munchkin girl. So instead of being stopped, instead of being taken out or devoid of one leg, the great or the impeccable pain could not stop this man, could not stop the Tin Woodman. Although he did not have his left leg, he came back strongly after repairing the leg with a leg made of tin. He obviously he would face problems because he did not have the actual limb. It was a false limb. But though there was a problem at the beginning, he tried to mend it, and by making a leg or by replacing it with a leg made of tin, once he got used to it, he came back to his work. And this coming back to work, this coming back again to trying to get back, win over the impeccable misfortune that is showcased by the great witch, she gets anger. She got angry. Who is that she? That is the great witch, because she had been given a task to stop the marriage. So she tried to do it at her best. But once she is been not defined as someone, or not defined, not termed as someone who would be able to stop the Tin Woodman so easily, she got very angry, because she thought that this stopping of the marriage would be very easier for her, as she is a great witch and this Tin Woodman, he was only a human being. But it was not possible, because the Tin Woodman, he came back stronger. He showed his great will, and by showing this, he proved the great witch of the east wrong. And obviously, this angered her very much. When I began chopping again, my axe slipped and cut off my right leg. Again I went to the tinsmith, and again he made a leg out of tin. After this, the enchanted axe cut off my arms one after other, but nothing daunted. Daunted means stopped or hindered. I had them replaced with tin ones. So this continuous striving, the continuous obstruction to stop the marriage between the Munchkin girl and the Tin Woodman continued. And this continuation happened through the casting of the spell by this great witch of the east. So first she cut, once she was done with cutting the legs, she came back with cutting of the arms. But without any arm, without any leg, even then also the Tin Woodman proved himself much worthier than that great wizard, and he only himself becoming a very pretty common human being, won against all the odds, as he has the greater willpower. And this willpower shows as he replaces all the damaged limbs with tin.